हेलो एवरीवन, जय श्री राम, जय बालाजी महाराज। तो आज हम जो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो क्लास टेंथ के लिए है और क्लास टेंथ का एनओएस का टॉपिक है टीएमए के लिए आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ओके, तो विदाउट टाइम वेस्टिंग हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इट इज़ द एप्टली सेड वर्क इज वर्शिप इन द लाइट ऑफ द स्टोरी। डिस्क्राइब हाउ द स्क्वायर स्मॉल येट significant act of labor of carrying small pebbles is a reflection of his devotion to Lord Rama. So इसका आंसर रहेगा Rama's army began to build a stone bridge over the sea. The monkey brought rocks and heavy stones from the mountains. Thousands of monkeys cut the stones into shape night and day. Rama felt happy. A small brown squirrel also brought little pebbles in his mouth from the seashore. He dropped them into the sea. By chance came in the way of great monkey. The monkey jumped back and nearly fell. The squirrel apologized and advised the monkey to walk carefully. The monkeys laughed when the squirrel told them that she was building a bridge of Rama. The squirrel told them that he would do his maximum for Rama. The monkeys asked him to go home, but the squirrel did not do so. The angry monkey threw the squirrel far away. The squirrel cried and Rama names and fell into his hand. Rama passed his fingers gently over the squirrel back. They become wide strip on his back. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट आंसर खत्म होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है रिसाइकलिंग रबिश नॉट ओनली हेल्प सेव मनी इट ऑल्सो हेल्प द एनवायरमेंट इन व्यू ऑफ दिस मेंशन 4 एडवांटेजेस ऑफ द रिसाइकलिंग टू जस्टिफाई योर आंसर। Recycling of rubbish help the environment. We save money, lessen the pollution and save valuable resources. If we start recycling used paper, we can save thousands of trees from being felled. Through new technology, we can reuse paper, metal, glass and plastic. Plastic is one of the most difficult substances to recycle due to its varieties. Only plastic scrap can be recycled into a product inferior quality. However, a lot of plastic waste cannot be reused. Metal can be scrapped and recycled. It is a very costly affair to recycle valuable metals like gold and silver. Aluminium is also worth recycling. Glass is also worth recycling. The broken glass can easily be recycled. The people in Western countries through the used bottles into a bottle banks. Some people sell the used bottles in the India. Broken glass of mixed color can be used only to make green glass. Broken glass can be remelted and shaped into new glass objects. The waste paper is pulp, clean and the bleach to be recycled into a new paper. ये हमारा आंसर सेकंड था। अब हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड। हाउ डिड द केजिया बिगिन सी हर फादर एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग who needed her sympathy more than the love of child to a parent? तो इसका आंसर रहेगा Kezia was a little girl. Her father was a figure to be feared. She avoided him. She would be approach him sheepishly. He was a true professional. He cared only his work. He always gave us instruction and disapproved of all her activity. He never gave her time for interaction. He always used unpleasant words for her. Kezia was scared and sick for him. One day the little Kezia had to pass the night in the house with her father only. She went to bed and saw the nightmare. She saw a butcher with a knife. She gave out a terrible scream. The father came to Kezia when he heard her cry. He took her tenderly his arm. He lay on the bed beside her. The little girl put her head on his heart. She heard the beat of the she had experienced fatherly love then. She began understand her father better. She never avoided him. She told her father that he had a big heart. Okay, ये हमारा आंसर नंबर थर्ड था। अब हम बात करते हैं आंसर नंबर फोर्थ के बारे में। People change over the years, they become cold-hearted and the indifferent with the passage of time. There is a loss of identity and the innocence of the genuineness to earth, trustness, worthiness, and the uncaring attitude comment on the central idea, the poem on the Once Upon a Time and penned by the Gabriel Okra. तो इसका आंसर रहेगा, हैव यू एवर हेयर योर grandmother and grandfather talking about how the world was very different from the they were children? How you hear them, they say people that had more time to talk each other to meet them and other the olden days. As children, we are innocent, loving, and honest about our feelings. But as the time passes, many social culture factors and the experience change the personality and the behavior. This experience often take away some our honesty and the innocence. In the same way, the old way of life, innocent like a child, because in those days, people were more honest and caring about each other than they are the busy modern day world. When we meet people today, we often do not mean what we say. We only say nice things to them because we don't want to seem rude. The poet wishes that the modern world will be once again become innocent, the childlike. He also wishes that he would once again be as a natural, honest and innocent as when he was a child. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है हमारा, द शू शाइन इज द टचिंग टेल ऑफ द ड्राइव फ्रॉम होम द मैसेज द डिग्निटी ऑफ द लेबर मस्ट बी रिस्पेक्टेड, नो वर्क इज स्मॉल और अनवर्थी, इट इज द हार्ड वर्क टू बी and dedication that gives one respect to credibility in life. Describe the relationship between the Shashi Batra and the Shovan Lal in your own words. Okay, Brata, sorry. The shoe shine named the Shovan Lal happened to be a come. Just then he asked the young man to get his shoes polished. The young man expressed the helpless. He could not afford shoe polish. The shoe shine laughed to learn that. He remarked that only a man with a well-polished shoes could get a job in Delhi. And the shoe shine remark irritated the young man. The shoe shine asked him a number of questions. The young man learned that the shoe shine earned from ₹3 to ₹5 a day. It was more than the earning of a clerk. He asked the shoe shine if he could also adopt the trade. The funny question made the shoe shine laugh. The young man had been a university student who could speak English. Shoe shining was not too suitable job for him. The young man told Shovan Lal that he did not bother about the status of the job. Shovan Lal told the young man that he would have to seek shoe shine union permission. It worried the young man. The poor fellow had no money to buy the polishing stuff. Shovan Lal asked the young man to see the 11 o'clock at night. They could have further talked with the members of the union. Then the young man kept walking along the street of Delhi of 5 hours. Then they made the appointed time. Shovan Lal introduced the young man with his fellows. The members of the shoe shine union had a lengthy discussion. At last they gave a chance when he agreed to help them, the correspondent. Okay, ये हमारा आंसर नंबर 5 रहा. And the last is answer number 6. Health is the most precious wealth and the human being in his her entire lifetime. One can survive without excess money, but without good health, survival can be difficult. It is obvious then the one can be feel content, the complete with the good health and the contribute positively and the meaningfully. The community and the nation write a project report on the health as well. So health is wealth means that the physical and the mental well-being is far more important. Wealth is the dream of the life satisfaction. It is the saying, yes, money is the great, can solve many problems and lead the fantastic quality of life. So first point, importance of fresh and nutrition food. The bulk of the food the consumption should consist of healthy food such as the fruit, vegetables, whole grains and the fat-free and the low-fat milk products. Incorporate lunch meat, poultry, fish, bacon, eggs and the nuts. ये सारे healthy foods के बारे में बता रखा है. Second point is the positive mind. The real wealth of the life means the good health can be obtained through the number of ways, such as the regular exercise, balanced food, positive thoughts, good habits, cleanliness, and the fresh environment. So next one is the impact of social media. There is a growing awareness of the spending less time online can increase our personal health and well-being, make us more present to our physical surrounding. And the last one is the change in the lifestyle pattern. Health is wealth is the both important resources for living a happy and successful life. यहाँ पर हमारी वीडियो एंड होती है। अगर किसी बच्चे को इसकी पीडीएफ चाहिए तो वो कमेंट में जाके अपना नेम और नंबर डाल सकता है या फिर एकेडमी से कांटेक्ट कर सकता है। आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, आपसे कमेंट करके आपको प्रॉपरली पीडीएफ प्रोवाइड की जाएगी। और भी वीडियोस के लिए आप चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।